Hey everyone, and welcome back to Protocol Bytes. If you are looking to run loops using SecureCRT, then this video is for you. If you are new on this channel, my name is Akash and I'm a protocol test engineer. On this channel, I'm trying to simplify complex networking topics. So even if you are a beginner or a seasoned IT professional, you'll surely find some value here. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, here we are on the screen. So in this video, we are going to see how you loop command in using SecureCRT. Okay, so by looping, what I mean is I want to execute some commands n number of times. Like it may be, shut, unshut the interface, maybe adding or removing the descriptions. So the motivation to run script this commands multiple times is in the testing environment, wherein you have to test particular command and you have to do it n number of times to certify that okay the command is working properly and the maybe the port is getting shut unshut properly after 10 to hundreds of iterations. Why? Because you only have one device to test, but in case of customer deployments, you might have thousands of devices. So you cannot go and configure 8,000 of times on thousands of devices, right? You can certify it on one that if it is working on one device thousand of times, then it will work for sure on other thousand as well. So that is one key use case for here. Maybe in the service provider you might have other use cases, but that depends on case by case basis. For this video, I'll only show you how you add a command, how you store it, and how you run it in loop. Okay, and the technique is let's see that. Okay, for this to work, you better have a telnet or SSH session to your device. Here I have a GNS up and running. I have configured a telnet access to that, and now I have a telnet session coming over here. So let's see. I have all this interface. I will just do a plain simple add and remove description command. Maybe you can try and explore it out later on. Go to the script and start recording. Okay, now the recording has started. Whatever you type now, it will get recorded. So let's say I want to check my description first. Okay, I check the description. What I want is I want to add a description to this interface. Okay, I'll go into the config mode, interface, description, loop test of this command, right? Enter and write, and again I check whether the command has taken or not. Okay, I see that command is live. Now what I will do in the same, I'll also delete this description. Again I go into the config mode, again I go into that interface, do a no description, do a end, do a write, check it. Now you see the description is removed, right? Now we have uh, the script has run so far. What I will do is I will stop recording the script, give a relevant name, loop test version 1. Okay, maybe iteration 1 you can give anything. So I'll give it v1. I'll clear the screen for you. Okay, now we are going to run this script. Okay, now what you need to do is first I forgot to mention, you go to the location of that script, open it up, and in here you see all the commands that you have entered are stored. Okay, under this main and end subject, right? So now what I want to do you to do is insert a for loop here, for, right, and at the end just do a next so that it will repeat itself. Make sure to take care of the tabs, sometimes it gives error. Now you have introduced a for loop in here, so for value 1 to 5, so this script will run up to 5 times. Okay, after once it has executed up to here, it will again do a loop until it reaches 5 iteration count and just get before ending the script. Okay, don't forget to save this file. I have saved it now. I'll go back to SecureCRT. I'll come up here. I'll go under script, run, and the specific script that you have created. Just open it. And now you will see the magic happening. The script is running itself. It is adding the description, giving show commands, writing it, deleting the description, again doing show commands, writing it, and again doing a show command. So this is it is going to repeat for 5 times now. Okay, so since it is happening in parallel, what I'll do is I'll store these commands in the description for you to just copy and paste in your scripts. And this is really helpful if you are a tester. And that was all for this video. Also, we can introduce a delay in between. I'll show you how you introduce that in the next videos. So for this video, we'll just stop it right here. Thank you. So guys, that was all for this video. I hope this video was informative to you. If you like this video, I'll put some link of other videos at the end credits that might be interesting to you. I will just sign off for now. Have a great day and I will see you in the next video. Bye.